To install the REALPRO for Windows update, you go to the internet and you're going to go to the website realpro.la. Then you're going to go to Downloads. And then you're going to scroll down to the third blue button and click. You'll put in your email address. And then the serial number. And submit. I'm going to download the unlock code first. If you're going to save the file, make sure you know where you are saving it because you will need to run it. So I'm going to click Save, and that's because I'm in Firefox. I'm going to save it to my download folder. Another way to retrieve it would be this little button up here at the top. These are your downloads. And I'm going to click on that. If it comes up with this red box, you're going to click on More Info and Run Anyway. Yes. And now it runs that file. Then you're going to go to Download Install. Again, you're going to save it. If you have the option to run it, go ahead and run it. But if you do save it, then down the road, if you ever want to retrieve it again, you'll have it. Save file. I'm going to save it in my download folder, but I'm also going to access it with this little button here at the top. Version 1900. Click on that. Again, More Info. Run Anyway. Yes. Next. Next. Install. And finish. And now your program has been installed. Everything should work properly. Then you want to go ahead and give it a try. Make sure that you go directly to the main menu. If your program is open at the time of this installation, then you cannot overwrite an open file. So make sure that you close your program before you run the install. Any questions? 909-539-7196. Any changes that you need? Again, call me or send me an email. Thank you.